What's up, YouTube? Wait, just 1 second. Much better. What's up, YouTube? You guys ready to find out what will happen when trying to recreate Lindsay Adler? Let's get after it. Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm New York photographer Rosario Zinnanti, and today we will pay tribute to one of the photography greats, Lindsay Adler. If you know, you know, but if you don't know who she is, let me introduce you. Miss Adler is a super talented photographer, Canon ambassador, and extremely creative and talented. And if you're a photographer who struggles to find ideas, you should be following her channel ASAP. I'll put the link in the description below. She not only comes up with beautiful ideas, but her teaching style makes it so easy to follow and leads to ideas of your own. So today I'm going to show you what happened when I tried to recreate her shoot that was on Mylar film. A while ago, Lindsay posted a tutorial where she had a model wearing a glittery dress posing on silver Mylar film. She blasted light onto the dress and threw a Fresnel, and there was light effects and splashes of light all over the place. So of course I wanted to try this, but I didn't have all the gear. So I said, let's problem solve and see what we could get with the gear that I have. So I asked my friend, fitness model and IFBB bikini pro Ashley Nicastro, to come to the studio. I've shot Ashley plenty of times. She's great people. I'll put her Instagram in the description below. I ordered a glittery cocktail dress from Amazon with silver shoes, and we were ready to go. So the gear I used was my Broncolor Siros L monolights, along with the Westcott Lindsay Adler Optical Snoot. Guys, I promise I am not sponsored by Lindsay Adler or Westcott. Bought it myself. Same with the Broncolor. That's my kit, all great products. Ask me in the comments below if you want any info on them. And in case I haven't mentioned it before, I shoot the Canon R5 with EF lenses with an adapter. So I shot one strobe into the Westcott umbrella with a blue gel for the environment, which gave us almost that water look on the Mylar. It was very cool. I don't have a Fresnel, so I used the optical Snoot with a 24-70mm lens attached to shoot a beam of light into the dress. It didn't really light Ashley enough, so I went with a third light, softbox with extra light for fill. It worked pretty well, but not nearly as well as what Lindsay shot, obviously. So, but I was in the ballpark. I was close enough that I knew I could work some magic in Photoshop. So in Photoshop, I was able to bring out more detail, more lighting effect. I got to a place where I liked the images, but as I was editing, it occurred to me, I said, you know what, these are perfect to create some composites with, which led to these totally different images of Ashley on the beach. I didn't touch the Mylar. That was perfect as is. It looked like water, so I didn't do anything to that. All I really had to do was place a beach scene behind her. The beach image was something that I'd shot for a different shoot. I just removed that model and I used it for these shots with Ashley. So what did you guys think of the images? Do you prefer studio shots or the beach composites? Let me know in the comments. Thank you, Lindsay Adler, for inspiring us, and thank you in advance for liking this video and subscribing. It means the world to me, guys. Seriously. Cheers.
Hey, subscribe.